Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show step-by-step tutorial on how to book a trip on FlixBus account. So first we're going to open the FlixBus app. Then as you can see in the booking section, you're going to write where you're going to. So this is where you're going to start from. For example, we chose London Heathrow Airport. Then you're going to write where you're going to depart to. For example, I chose Manchester Airport. Then you're going to write the departing date, as well as your return date. Then next, you're going to insert the passengers or bags you have, the amount of adults, if you have a child on board, if you're traveling in a wheelchair, as well as if you have any bike on board, you're going to insert that. Then once you're done, you're going to click on search. So these are the fares and results. So you guys could choose either of the two. So I chose the first one, for example, as well as for the return trip. As you can see, there are two options. So once you choose that, you're going to insert your personal information and the rest, your name, as well as your seat reservation, if you have any extras. Then you're going to write your email as well as your phone number. Then next, you're going to insert your payment method. So as you can see, finally, you can see your booking, as well as your total amount of money. Then you're going to click on pay now. Then once you pay, your booking has been confirmed. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.